Let me start by quoting Miss Althea Gibson. Kilala niyo siya? Miss Althea Gibson is an accomplished professional tennis player and a professional golf player. She once said, and I quote, "Whatever are your achievements, always remember that somebody helped you." End of quote. Today, as we mark the end of the 20th Council and the end of my 15 years of public service career, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the people who helped me since 2010. To my family, to the Alag family, daghang salamat. I have 7 siblings, swerte kayo ko, because I have 7 siblings who helped me and their families throughout my public service career. I would also like to thank my parents who raised me since 1975. And to my one and only wife, Cherry Alag, daghang salamat. To my 3 children, Joshua, Elisha, and Chelsea, who are my inspiration during my public service career. To all our community leaders, supporters, sa tanan, sa mga barangay, 182 barangays in Davao City, daghan kaayong salamat. To all my staff sa opisina, diri, some of my staff, or most of my staff, has been with me since 2010. So, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong pagtabang o paggugma sa ato ang opisina. To all my colleagues in the 20th South Council, daghan kayong salamat. Sometimes we disagree, but I am very sure in my heart that all of us, our intention is all for the good of the Davaoenos. Daghang salamat sa inyong mga gugma sa mga Davaoenos. And to all the Davaoenos who supported me and trusted me since I entered public service career on 2010, daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong pagsalig, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tabang. Gikan sa kinauyukan sa akong kasing-kasing, daghang salamat sa higayon ug pagsalig kay Dr. Bernie Alag. I will continue to serve in the best way I can, even in my private capacity. And I will continue to uphold the truth, justice, and love. Daghang salamat, Davaoenyo. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Bernie Alag. Maayong buntag kanato.